Oh my goodness, how cute are these? Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is what it looks like open. These are adorable. Now, let me tell you, I saw these pretty much the same exact things in Hobby Lobby, and I can't remember the price, but I think they were like $7 or $8. And I see pink, I see this kind of blue, this kind of like a teal, and then they even have purple. Oh my gosh, these are cute little macaroons. Okay, so I just wanted to come and show you guys because I needed to come to Hobby Lobby anyway. Here are the macaroons that are pretty much the same as the ones in Dollar Tree. The only difference is this one has a bow and the one from Dollar Tree has a heart. And these are $5.99. So I mean, I admit they are a tiny bit different, but not much. I think even the ones from Dollar Tree are a little bit bigger now that I'm looking at these. So isn't that cool? And then what are these? Some color changing roses. How cute. They have more roses right here. These are red, and they have the pink ones, and they're soft too. You can tell they're soft. Really cute. Nope, they bought the diva trays back. These are back. They'll probably put the other ones out later. Here's some more pictures. It's like a scroll. They look like this. This is wood. There, so you have that. That one. And I don't see any more. Look at the cute solar stake lights with the little hummingbirds. These are cute. Okay, you guys, so you know the smaller ones like this that everybody is using for the embellishment boxes. I showed in a different video. Look at these. I've never seen these before. This is more of a smaller version of it. And I opened one right here, and it has the same amount of compartments. Look at that. It looks exactly the same as the bigger craft box, or you know, that everybody's using, but it's smaller. That is so cute. So this would be perfect for like your earrings and you know, stuff like that. The other one too, but this is just a little smaller version of the bigger one. Look at these stickers. They are so cute. I don't think I've seen this set before. I know I haven't, because I would have remembered that little turtle. Really, really pretty. And then here's another spring set with the little insects. Look at, he's sleeping. That is too cute. And I remember them having some monkey ones, but I don't remember it having that pineapple and that watermelon in it. So I think these are new as well. And then they just got a lot of the older ones. Oh, these pins are back. I love these. I think they are so pretty. They have the pink, the green with the jewels on the end, and purple. Oh, these look new. Some picture frames that look wooden. And it says family. Then there's memories. That one. If I can grab it. And this one, that's pretty. I don't know if there's any different ones. Let's see. Oh, then they have plain wood that says love. Yeah, that's all I see as far as those. They have it in gray. Oh, that's really, really pretty. Ooh, I like those for Mother's Day. And then I see these. You never know. Thank you. Those are pretty. Let's see. There's one behind it that says Mom. And it's in pink. And then I think I see these. And they have the little stands on the back. There's some more back there, but I don't think I can reach them. Little glass plaques that say stuff about Mother's Day. Very pretty. Okay, so here's a new Bolero product, and it is honeysuckle and green tea. I'm hoping that they'll bring out the what am I trying to think of, the wipes, the face wipes for this. That's interesting. And I just recently showed the lip glosses in my other video. Here is the lipsticks. I am at a different store, so they have brought out, look at all of these: molten, blazed, melted, blushed. I see crushed back there. My battery is dying. I see crushed back there. There's another molten. Here's bronzed. That's pretty. And punked. And there's flushed. I might have to get one of these. They also have the lip liners. So here's all natural. There's twirl. Here's edgy, classic. That's a pretty red. And then that's poppin'. That's cute. They got the pressed powders in honey, chestnut, beige, and ivory. So they have the mascara in lush black, defining black, and volume black. And they even repackaged the concealers like that. Okay, you guys, so I am done with my Dollar Tree run, and I did get some goodies that I'm going to share with you guys. Now, what I can say about these: adorable. These are so cute, and they are a little bit bigger than the ones that are at Hobby Lobby, just so you know. And I was thrilled to show you guys that footage from Hobby Lobby of the ones that they carry, and that is the inside. I love that gold rim around it, and this is just super cute, even if you want to give it as a gift or whatever. But these are just so cute. So big ups to Dollar Tree for those. Okay, then I did get one of these, which was the smaller version of the bigger ones that they carry, like I said, that everybody's using for embellishment boxes. But when I was about to walk away from this thing, and then I went back, because I was thinking, if you guys are like me, when you take your eyelashes off, do you keep your container that the eyelashes came in, and then you kind of restore them back on that little plastic tray? And to me, those are always so bulky. Like, I just have like this little drawer filled with eyelash boxes. So I figured, why not put them in here? Put a pair in here, in here, and here. So I'm going to fill this up with my eyelashes that I currently use or whatever. And this is perfect because it's kind of small, but you have all the compartments. So that's why I picked that one up. Before I go any further, they have some boxes. Every now and then they'll bring like boxes and stuff for shipping. So I picked this one up because I need it. Most of the time I use USPS boxes, but those are flat rate. So I just wanted to get one of those. Ooh, this air feels so good, you guys. They got some new, and woo, this hair. They got some new planner stickers. Look at these. These are so, let me roll this window up. Okay, halfway up. The new planner stickers, look at those. And there's 4 different packs, so it's those, and then when you flip that one over, you get these pictures. I love the little succulents or the cactus. Look at the donuts, the paper airplanes. So that's that one. Then there is this pack right here. And the back of this one looks like that. Super cute. This one This one is kind of like magical or galaxy themed, I think. And it has the unicorns, some rocket ships. Really cute. And this one was my favorite one. This one has like the sparkles on it. Now check these pictures out. These are cute. Look at that. Love those. Okay, so then I always get my baby some cars. So I always pick him up the cars from there. So I got him those. I did get some Fabuloso Complete, so I can use that. They had some Sensodyne. This is a really small box. It's 0.8 ounces, so it's kind of a small box, but this is a good toothpaste if you need it. We're almost done. Then I picked up 2 packs of these, and these are extra large protein Chewy bars by Nature Valley. And what are they? Peanut butter and dark chocolate. And these are good when you're on the go like me and you need that protein, or you just need something to make you feel like you're, full without stopping to get fast food or eating junk. Those are good because it'll knock out what you need and then fill you up at the same time. Then I got this cute little wind up toy, and it looks kind of babyish, but once you put it down and it wiggles and the tail moves like that, I think Pooh Bear is just gonna like looking at that. So I got him this magnet, and it says there is always something to be thankful for. And the last couple things that I grabbed, because the last video I had got the lip gloss, the metal lip glosses. And let me tell you guys real quick, out of those that I picked up, the 2 that were like a cream color, I didn't like those. Those, when I put those on, it had so much glitter in them. I just was not happy with those. So I'm hoping these are not the same, but these are the metal lipsticks. That pink is really pretty. This one is called Blushed. So I'm gonna try these out when I get home. And then I picked up another cream color or brown color. This is called Bronzed. There's this dark purple one. I guess the colors match the lips. And this one is called Punked. And then I did get one of the nail polishes that I saw, and I got this really pretty bluish purple or pink. It reminds me of cotton candy for some reason. It's just really, really pretty. It looks magical. Yeah, I didn't want to go with the dark colors, so I just got that. So that's it. That's all I got. I was more excited about finding these little dishes. I thought these were so cute. I got one for me and one for my mom for Mother's Day. And yeah, so that is it for this Dollar Tree haul. So thank you guys all for watching, and I will talk to you later. Bye.